woman can't marry for men and a man can marry for women?
Good question. I don't know why people ask me this question.
A lot.
I talk about
She's knocking my head every day.
So firstly, what we say is we accept whatever God tells us.
Yes,
So,
of course.
for example, now, that is a test on you. It's also a test on him. There's many reasons. Number one, in today's age, we have DNA, knowing whose children is whose. To know the father, we can do DNA test, correct? Okay, before they didn't have DNA test, which means what? If a man has 4 wives and he has intimacy with all of them, you know who the mother is, you know who the father is, correct?
Yes.
Okay, if a woman has 4 husbands, how would you know who the father is? That's one reason.
Okay, yes.
Okay, good. Number 2, you need to understand, before life wasn't like this. I'm hungry, I go to KFC and eat food, yeah?
Yes.
Before, you lived in villages, in groups. There's survival. Survival means what? One man, him having 4 wives, argument's sake, yeah? Because back in the days, men will marry as many women as much. So, not even marry. They will have multiple, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 20, yeah? And they don't give them their rights. So Islam said, reduce it to 4. Why? Because in a man's capacity, that is the maximum, because above that you can't. How are you going to give justice to the ability? Number 3, it's for survival, because when a man has multiple kids, imagine he has 10 kids from each woman.
Yes.
Because when a woman becomes pregnant, she cannot give birth for good 1-2 years.
Yeah.
Good. But one man can impregnate all of his wives.
Yeah, but how about love?
This is the new concept that people are putting there. Now, there's nothing wrong with loving, but that was not the main purpose of marriage. In the Western world, it's romanticized marriage for you.
Yeah.
Everything is romantic and Romeo and Juliet. But in reality, it doesn't work like that.